What's up guys, Joey here, Fugatech, and if there's any car company that's making a big push for hybrid vehicles here in the Philippines, without a doubt it is Toyota.
That's correct.
Last time we were able to review the Corolla Altis Hybrid, but today we're looking at something a little bit more stylish, a little bit more on the luxurious side. We have here the Toyota Camry Hybrid 2021. So without any further ado, let's check it out.
Come on, get in.
Toyota has been at the forefront of producing some of the most economical vehicles to date. And if you're looking to shift into the world of hybrid cars, well, you now have three choices. A compact sedan, a crossover, and now you have one for the executive class as well. But unlike the Corolla Altis or the Cross, which come in different trim levels, at first glance, the 2022 Toyota Camry doesn't look anything more than a simple executive vehicle. And quite frankly, it does look very much similar to its gas-powered counterparts, with the only major telltale sign being Toyota's signature hybrid emblem at the back, and some subtle blue accents on the front and rear emblems. We do get a few facelifts though, including a more aggressive front fascia, LED headlights with DRL, and is topped off with some shiny chrome accents. The wheels are also more stylish, rocking 18-inch alloy rims with a V-shaped design and twisted spokes that give a subtle, sporty impression. It also has a generous ground clearance of 140mm. Overall, the 2022 Camry looks good as always. It's more refined and has a very deluxe aesthetic without being too much. And maybe that's a good thing if you're not too keen on sticking out on the road. Much like the exterior, the latest Camry still retains most of its interior, featuring an elegant leather material on the seats that trickle all the way to the steering wheel, dashboard, and side panels. The faux wood material is still present, and there's also a bit of glossy touches on places like the infotainment center to bring it all together. And speaking of infotainment, it sports a new 9-inch touchscreen display that supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto via USB. It's a lot larger now and is responsible for multimedia, navigation, and safety sense features for the front and rear cameras. Complementing all of that is a 9-speaker JBL sound system for the ultimate listening experience, some nice accent lights that give a nice glow when driving at night, and a blue push-to-start button to match the logos on the outside. Other creature comforts include a wireless charger for your phone and an automatic sunroof up top. Now moving over to the back. We also have the same leather seats found on the front and a sunshade for when things get a little bit too bright. But probably the best part about being in this area is found when you pull out the armrest, which doesn't just have a place to put your cups, no, but also gives you multimedia and climate controls right off the bat. You can also access the trunk from this area. And since we're already talking about it, the trunk space is pretty generous to say the least. At 15.1 cubic feet, they're great for storage when you need to travel, and it's pretty convenient for keeping daily essentials handy whenever you need them. Now for the icing on the cake. The 2022 Toyota Camry comes with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder DOHC Atkinson cycle engine that puts out 176 horsepower and 221 Nm of torque. Include the electric motor in the equation and we're looking at an estimated total output of over 200 horsepower. It's also paired with an ECVT for its transmission for even smoother shifting. We still have yet to do a full-on review on this unit to find out just how economical the latest Camry drives, but with a claimed fuel efficiency of 19 kilometers per liter, that doesn't seem bad at all for a vehicle of this caliber. All in all, the new Camry is a great addition to Toyota's HEV lineup. It shares the same DNA as the Corolla Altis Hybrid, the Corolla Cross Hybrid, and even the Prius. So that means you're not only able to make use of all of its hybrid driving modes, but you're even able to do short runs on full EV mode so long as it holds a charge. And to top it all off, it also comes bolstered with Toyota Safety Sense features such as pre-collision and lane tracing assist, lane departure alert, automatic high beam lights, and adaptive cruise control. Now as for the price, the 2022 Toyota Camry Hybrid comes at a price tag of 2,335,000 pesos and is available in 3 colors: Platinum White Pearl Mica, Metal Stream Metallic, and Attitude Black Mica. Stay tuned as we may have a full review of this unit pretty soon, but until then, what do you guys think about Toyota's newest hybrid vehicle? So that wraps it up for this quick look at the Toyota Camry Hybrid. Let us know what you guys think in the comments down below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit the bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com. This has been Joey,
And Josh.
and we'll see you in the next video.
Ka-chow.